Well, I'm kind of doing some hiking. I'm walking from one end of my cornfield to the other. It's a half-mile long field. Got my semi parked way down that way. So I had to park it down there on the lane. It's still a little bit wet out here. And I got my semi or my combine down here on the road, or by the road. I can just see the top of it right through there. So I walked down in here, getting the combine and combine up towards my semi to dump the corn into there. Well, like I say, this field's a half-mile long. I got this end of the field done. It's not halfway, but I can't go all the way down and back in the combine. The combine would be over full. So I came down here and I do this part towards the road. There's the combine. Right there's one of my waterways. That grass is turning green coming up, the new waterways. And right there's one of the new waterways where the grass is coming up. They got a pit field tile along the sides of it, and they haven't done that yet. Guy usually does it's booked up 2 years before he'd have time to do it, so we're trying to find somebody else to do it. Of course, it's farming time, harvest, everybody's busy. So I gotta do all that corn up to about those trees, not quite those trees. So, yeah, walking here, getting the combine. Then around 4:30 or 4 o'clock, I'm gonna have to take my semi over to, it's called Green Fork Alignment, a place over in Indiana that works on trucks, and get that cam cover fixed where the oil's leaking. And they're probably gonna have the semi for 3 or 4 days. So I'll probably have to go back to a hopper wagon and my pickup truck, which would be really slow. It'll hold about 1/3 what the semi holds. But I'll do that for a couple days and then get the semi back. It's like the 18th of November. Alrighty. I'll shut this off. That's the tractor that runs the auger. I just pulled the semi up there and swing that swing away arm underneath the semi to catch the corn. And it takes it up there to the roof auger, and the roof auger takes it to the center of the bin. Okay, but I got the semi in the shop, so there's the trailer. Not much good without the semi tractor. So I just dropped it off over in Indiana to get worked on. They're gonna have it several days. So, and there's the cornfield I was in, across the road, in the combine. But so now I'm resorting to, like I did it 20 years ago with a wagon. I got 3 more wagons, but this is the biggest one. So this will hold 385 bushels at a time. My trailer holds 1,100 bushels at a time. So I'm getting ready to check the tires and take this out to the field and put some corn out with my combine, but it's still too wet out there, so I'm not too big of a hurry. Field's plenty wet. Hey, inside the grain bin, I think I got 5 loads in here. Better hold 25. Those augers, 3 there, they pull the dry corn up towards the top, and then the wet corn keeps falling down towards the bottom, and that will dry when I burn propane to dry it. But this year I might not have to. The moisture is like 16.5 and 15%. So 15% is dry. So I might just be able to run the fan. So that's what it looks like when I just climbed up in there. Here's how you get up there looking at it when it's full. This is the only bin I have that has steps. All the others just have ladders. And it has its own propane tank. Alrighty. Wait a minute.
No, you gotta climb and crawl. Go.
It's like a long dog. That's why I wasn't talking. I just looked at what it looks like, getting more of the thing. It would be a lot slower with the wagon. There's my semi-trailer. I'm going to use a semi-tractor to get the oil leak, the bad oil leak. Getting ready to quit for the night. Looks like a full moon. Sun setting back there. Well, we got rain coming here by morning, so I'm gonna quit. Gonna work on the chisel plow, get it ready to go for tomorrow. In case this rain misses us, we're gonna spread some chicken there. I'm gonna put the combine in the barn there, get it ready. Alrighty. We got a full moon. I'm back at my grain bin. Loading this wagon, maybe the last wagon for the night. I have to climb up the top of the peak of that grain bin and shut the lid here at night. It'll be all dusty. Kind of slippery. I hate doing it at night. I hate doing it in the rain too, though. Unload this, shut the grain bin up. Green fork alignment service, and that truck's going to take extensive work. That front timing cover has actually eroded to where it's exposed to bolt, and the oil's coming right through there. So anyway, we're going to have at least like $1,200–1,400 just in incidental parts, not counting oil and filters and things like that. And we're probably going to have 40 to 50 hours of labor. The parts I went ahead and checked, make sure they're all available because there is a shortage of things. Let me know if you could as quick as possible so I can go ahead and get parts going. Or if not, if you're going to run it for a while, I got another engine overhaul. The guy's wanting immediately, so I could go one way or the other. Well, this is what my semi looks like. The oil leak was actually up in there a little bit. I don't know, you probably can't see it. Like the housing around a bolt broke off, but yeah, you know, the radiator used to be in there, fan, air conditioner unit, all that stuff was there. Looks like it's got some parts all lined up on the side of my truck here. This stuff all came off my truck. That was the radiator that was in it. There's like parts everywhere on it. Let's see, today's Thursday. He's saying maybe Tuesday of next week I might get a truck back. Alright, gotta get out of here so you can keep working on it. I don't want to bother. He didn't want to be on YouTube. He stepped away. Well, it rained this morning a little bit, thunder and lightning. But dry now. We're going to spread some chicken manure. And I'm going to plow right behind it on the bean stubble here. So load this big spreader, and it has GPS, and we're going to drive up down to the field spreading this chicken manure. 4 tons to the acre. Alright, so that's just the first load we're getting ready. And here's my chisel plow. Oh, I'll walk over and get a little closer picture. And you can get it when it's unfolded. But we're spreading it on all this bean stubble here and across the waterway over there. The same tractor I worked ground with when I was planting this spring. This is my chisel plow. It just turns over the ground, every foot it turns just 3 inches over. So it's kind of like that. The top shakes here, but maybe I can speak to the other right. There's what it looks like when he spread the chicken manure. Because I'm in the tractor still plowing. There's what it looks like behind me when I'm getting off track and plowing the chicken manure in. It's a 21-foot wide chisel plow. And I'm going to pick it up and go back in to that little strip I just missed right there. It's not just like in front of me.